It's taking the time for compilation. Okay, we won't get any output because I'm not using any cout statement. So if I write cout and if I try to print value of var1, so I'll get 50 as the output. So as you can see on the screen, we are having 50 in the output. So this was one example for integer type variable. Let me define a floating point variable. So float var2 is equals to 75.32. So now here the syntax is exactly similar. The only things that have changed is instead of defining a variable of integer type, I am using the float keyword, which allows me to use decimal point numbers. I cannot assign decimal type numbers to the integer variables. Now if I try to print the value for var2, I'll save the code and run this one more time. So okay, what I'll do, I'll just give endl over here, so I'll get the output into two different lines. Now as you can see, for the first variable, that is var1, I'm getting 50. I'm not assigning any value to this. And here in the next line, I'll write a1 is equals to cin, and okay, not like this, I'll write cin for a1. And if I save this code and let me run it one more time, and I'm getting an option to store a value, so let's say 98. And okay, to display the value for a1, what I can do, in the next line I can have a cout statement, and I can write here a1 is equal to the value of a1. So whatever value that I'll store into a1 will be visible over here. So let me save this code and run it one more time. So as you can see, if I enter 56, so I'm getting